How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
My
Um,
name is Hill.
say again?
Hill. I'm from India. Where are you from?
It's nice to meet you. My name is Devor and I am from Chicago.
I'm from India and live in New Delhi.
Nice. How old are you?
I'm I'm 8 years old. How old are you?
I'm 25.
Okay.
Yeah. What grade are you in?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Yeah, what grade are you in school?
I I'm in class fourth.
Fourth grade. Okay, nice. Um, how long have you been using Cambly?
I think 9 or 8 months.
8 or 9 months. Okay, that's good. Do you like using Cambly?
Yes.
Very good. So when you are on Cambly, what do you do with your teachers?
Uh, I talk with them and do lessons and read
Hmm.
books and other things and many things.
Nice. So what is your favorite thing to do on Cambly?
Uh, to to talk with people with lesson to lesson. So
You like to do lessons?
yes,
Okay. Do you want to do a lesson today?
yes,
Do you want to read something?
yes.
If you want, I can send you a link for a news article for us to read.
Mm,
Okay?
let us talk. I think.
Ah, you just want to have a free talk. Okay. That's fine. So tell me about you. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't have. Do you have?
I do. Yes, I have an older sister and a younger brother.
Okay. What is your hobby?
Um I like to play the drums. Um I like to make music and yeah. And right now I'm finishing university and I work. So
Okay,
those are the two things that I do in my life right now.
okay.
What about you?
My hobby is to making things with papers and reading, writing, playing.
Hmm.
These are my
Nice.
hobbies.
Did you do those drawings behind you?
No, this drawing behind me, my mother make this drawing and I help my mother to make this drawing.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Do you like to draw?
Yes, I also like to draw and make paper to make things with paper fold. I
To
also
make things
things with paper.
Say that one more time. You like to make things with what?
I like to make things. I like to make things with paper.
With paper. Okay. Nice. Have you ever heard of paper mache?
No, I have never had, but I have made many things with paper. I like frogs.
Oh, nice. Is that a frog?
Yes, it can jump also. Let me
It
see.
can jump.
Yes.
Wow, really cool. How did you make that?
Yes. By seeing YouTube videos
Nice. I will
and
send you a link.
some frogs.
Say again?
I have also colored some frogs.
Okay. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Did you make any other animals?
Yes, I make many animals like dinosaurs mm, and animals and and frogs and butterflies and ninja star. I also make and other things and salt also salt.
Many animals. Very, very cool. And many. How long have you been making paper animals?
I think it is so longer. I don't know. I think 1 or 2 years.
1 or 2 years. Wow, long time. Um, I will send you a link for how to make paper mache. Okay,
Okay.
and paper mache is basically you can take flour and water, or you take small pieces of paper and you put it with flour, and then you can put that around something, and then it hardens, and you make the shape of whatever it is. So, for example, you can take a balloon, right? And then you put paper mache around the balloon. You let it sit for like 1 hour, and then it dries, and you have a hard balloon shape paper thing.
Yes.
And then with that, you can turn that into a mask. You can paint it if you want. You can make anything you want.
Okay.
There's a link on how to make paper mache.
Okay. I
All
see.
right.